Okay, this first question, we can see it's about a sequence of positive numbers defined by, and we have this recurrence relation, and of course we need a first term. And then very straightforwardly we have to find A2 and A3 and leave our answers in surd form. That means they're supposed to have square roots in them. So for the first one we've got A1 already. For A2 all we have to do is apply the recurrence formula, so we're going to be doing a square root. The brackets means it applies to everything inside, and then we're going to be doing something squared. Okay, so to work out A2 here, this one here is going to need to be A1. We've got the value of A1, so it's going to be that squared plus 3, and then you need to simplify that to the square root of just a number, and that's going to be your answer for A2. And then you have to do something similar for A3. So A2 you've got as a square root. A3 is going to be, once again, okay, using this formula, the square root of something squared plus 3. So this something squared is going to be your previous answer squared. So you can write it as a square root squared, or you can just simplify, because when you square a square root you just get the number that you were doing the square root of. So this is the long way to write it. You can take the shortcut if you want to, but you don't need to. And then show that A5 is 4. So in a show that question, what they give you is the end point. So that's what you're going to end up with. So at the end of the question you're going to be saying that A5 equals 4. To get there, your starting point is going to be your answer to A3. You'll have simplified that to a square root. So you just do the same thing you've already done twice. You work out A4 equals same process as this, and you get a square root that you can simplify. Then you do A5, use the formula again, and show that the answer simplifies to A5 equals 4. No marks for getting the answer 4 because it's given, but if you can get there convincingly you should get full marks, and that's how to do question 1.